Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be the first video of Slay Your BDS with me series. So in this video, basically I'm going to tell you about the time management, how to manage your time during BDS years. So if you are a BDS student or even planning to start soon, so this video is exactly what you need. I have been through the same phase, right? Lectures, clinicals, practicals, assignments, everything. But you know what? I managed to balance my academics, co-curricular, extracurricular and still had the time to enjoy life. So, and today I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. So, let's get straight into it. If one is always start with your major goal. So, for me, that was very simple. Can't ignore my academics. I'm in BDS, so my academics was my major goal. It doesn't matter how many courses you do, how active you are in the fest, but I think if your core academics are weak, everything else falls apart. So my first priority was to stay consistent with my academics, daily revisions, preparing early for internal, and having a very strong grip over the concepts. Now, once we have a goal set, we have to move the next most important thing. So it's like fixing your focus hours. When I saying about the focus hours, it doesn't mean like 9 to 5 or 9 to 3, whatever your college timing is. After college, you are obviously going to feel tired, so take a break. After having a break, make sure that you have your fixed hours to your study slot. For me, it was a non-negotiable study slot of 1.5 to 2 hours every evening, straight for 5 years. You have to fix your time where you only study. No distractions, no scrolling, no phones. Just put your phones into the airplane mode and two things should be there, you and your book. Moving to the next step, divide your time smartly. Here's the most people blunder. They think that they have to study whole evening. No, not at all. So that's the burnout. I used to divide my post-college time into two parts. Two strictly for academics and the remaining 1 to 2 hours for skill building. Now, when I say skill building, it's basically doing some courses, doing your hobby or something like that. Co-curricular and extracurricular is equal to growth. So let's talk about it. So guys, these are so important. You can't simply ignore them. I mean, these activities will not just build your resume, but they will enhance your confidence and skills. When you say extracurricular, it's like beyond your BDS curriculum. That is not in your like academics wala part, but it's like playing some sport or singing, music, dancing, whatever you want to do, or learning something new. So you can also do some courses of like editing courses or digital marketing type courses, and you can also explore some. Now, these will taught you the things that textbooks don't teach. Choose one course at a time. You don't have to overload yourself. And if you're planning to do some online course or even some offline, plan it for 3 to 4 months before your university exams. See, don't overload yourself. Slow growth is still growth, right? Now, coming to the most important step is like, don't forget to enjoy your college life. Let's be real, we are humans. Need to enjoy life, right? So always kept time for myself, like watching a movie, going out with my friends on Sundays, or chilling out, or sometimes just doing nothing. I always kept Saturday evening or Sunday like totally free for myself, like just doing nothing or something very unproductive, just enjoying. And when you have worked hard or when you are productive from the Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday, there will be the guilt-free enjoyment. And you have to prepare your mind to work hard or to be productive to the next week also. So let's summarize the video. Firstly, keep your major goal in your mind, academics first. So divide your time between your studies and skills. Participate in the co-curriculars. Nobody is going to tell you about the courses and all that. You have to take the first step always. So, and yes, make time to relax and enjoy. So don't need to hustle all day. You have to stay consistent and plan smart. So until we meet again, so keep learning and keep smiling.